Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. The title of our project is Childcare Management System. Let's move to the abstract of our project. This is the abstract of our project. Childcare facility play a vital role in the lives of working parents and guardians, providing a safe and nutritious environment for children to learn and grow. However, managing the day-to-day operations of childcare facility can be a time-consuming and complex task. Childcare providers often struggle to keep track of child and staff information, enrollment, billing, and other relevant data. This project aims to develop a web application for managing the data and day-to-day operation of the children. The system will provide a centralized platform for childcare providers to help the childcare providers manage the day-to-day operation more efficiently and effectively, to improve quality of childcare, and to provide a centralized data to develop a cloud-based web application that can be used by childcare providers in an efficient way. This is the flow of our project. We are having the three main modules, that is admin, faculty and parent. Admin have the whole system management of data. In admin module we can view the whole database like details of faculties and facility staff, and the details of enrolled children with their parent details, and also they can check the capacity of classroom or staff they need to maintain the children's, and also they can update the account, that is tuition fee for children. Then in faculty they have the login part. After that they have the form of hiring facility staff and faculty, and also for terminating staff they have to log in with the reason in that form. After that they have the access to the form of enroll and withdraw children. After they can also see the capacity of a classroom and staff need to maintain the children, and also the account details will be maintained by faculty staff also. And in parents they have the login. They have to log in with the email address and password that they have enrolled with their children's. After login they will separated by their children's ID. In that they will see the ledger of the children, that is account details, and after that they can view the profile that they have filled at the enrollment. If there is any changes like address, name or anything else, they can modify the profile. And after, at last they have the request withdraw form. In this they will send a request to the faculty to change the children or any other things like that. This is the main modules of our project. We have the three modules: admin, facility and parent. First we have to log in. Let's type admin and admin at 123 as password and submit. This is the faculty admin page. Here we have the hired facility staff. This is the form of the hired facility staff. Let's fill this. Let's type a name and last name as Ram, and choose the date of birth. Just fill all the details: address, email ID, After submitting the form, we move to the hire staff form. Let's fill the details of staff. Let's give the details: date of birth, then fill the address, and enter the email ID shalini@gmail.com. Submit the form. Okay, next we have the terminate staff and enroll child. Enroll child, just to fill the form. After that, we can see the count of the children and the staff and the classroom capacity. Then terminate staff. This is the form of terminate staff. Here we type the reason. Here we got the request from the parents. It's a parent module. Let's type the email and password that we have enrolled in the form. Here we have the 5 modules. The child ledger, where I have the amount details. This is view profile. If you have any changes, just go to modify profile. Here you modify and submit. It will be updated to the database. For example, we change the name and each category. After submitting, you can just check in view profile. It will be updated. Request withdraw. Just type the reason for the children to leave, then submit. Then we log out. Let's see the requests made by the parents and faculty form. Here we can see the request. If we accept, here we can choose to accept or reject the request from the parent. Then we have the admin login, admin at 123. Here also we have the set of modules. You can just see the details of faculty, staff, then staff, then the enrolled children details. Admin also can view the classroom or staff capacity. And then the account ledger. Here we can just update the values and it will be changed into the database.